Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today, we're revving up the excitement with the top 5 car buffers and polishers that promise to elevate your vehicle's shine to a whole new level. We'll be delving into these machines' power, performance, and versatility, so you can make an informed choice. If you're ready to witness the ultimate gloss and polish for your ride, this is the place to be. Don't miss the chance to explore these fantastic tools. For more information, find all the links in the description below. And as always, remember to tap that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more insightful reviews and tips. Let's get started and unveil the top contenders in car buffing and polishing. Starting at number 5, KRCK Cordless Car Polishing Machine. The KRCK Cordless Car Polishing Machine is a sophisticated and versatile tool designed for efficient car paint maintenance. Its eccentric shaft design ensures meticulous polishing without risking damage to the car's paint, appealing to meticulous car owners. Equipped with overload protection and a brushless all-copper motor, this machine ensures a prolonged service life and enhanced safety during operation. The inclusion of industrial-grade lithium batteries with large capacity cells ensures prolonged usage without interruptions, catering to extended polishing needs. The intelligent quick panel allows real-time control over power and gear speed regulation, providing users with precise control and adjustments for different polishing requirements. The brushless motor's self-controlled operation enhances the machine's efficiency while minimizing power consumption. With a no-load speed ranging from 2,500 to 6,000 RPM, a rated power of 900 watt, and an 8 mm polished spindle thread, this machine delivers impressive performance in varying polishing scenarios. The 125 mm turntable diameter contributes to its versatility in handling different vehicle surfaces. This cordless car polishing machine serves as an excellent choice for detail-oriented individuals, professional detailers, or car enthusiasts seeking a high-performance, adaptable, and user-friendly tool for maintaining their vehicle's shine and finish. At number 4, Autocare Car Polishing Machine. Crafted with ABS material, the Autocare Car Polishing Machine is a robust tool engineered for effective car polishing. Boasting a power input of 700 watt and a voltage of 220 V, this machine provides sufficient power to accomplish polishing tasks with ease. Its polishing orbits ranging from 1,000 to 3,800 RPM, coupled with a 6-inch disc diameter and 21 mm eccentricity, ensure efficient and comprehensive polishing coverage. The 3-meter cord length offers flexibility and ease of use around the vehicle. The ABS construction renders the machine durable, ideal for enduring rigorous use in automotive detailing. The variable polishing orbits cater to different polishing needs, making it versatile for users aiming to achieve diverse finishes. This polishing machine's notable power output and adjustable speed settings make it a suitable choice for individuals seeking an effective, durable, and versatile tool for car polishing. However, the fixed cord length might limit its maneuverability in larger spaces. The Autocare Car Polishing Machine stands as a dependable option for car enthusiasts and professionals looking for a powerful yet straightforward tool for vehicle polishing tasks. At number 3, Flex Electric Car Polisher. The Flex Electric Car Polisher is a versatile tool designed for automotive finishing. Boasting a 6-inch diameter and a brushless eccentric vibration round sand machine. With 6-speed adjustment options ranging from 4,000 to 10,000/min, this polisher offers users precise control over their polishing tasks, adapting effortlessly to various surface requirements. Its 400-watt, 220-volt voltage, and brushless eccentric vibration motor ensure powerful and consistent performance. The machine's ergonomic design and adjustable speed settings make it suitable for both professional detailers and car enthusiasts seeking high-quality finishes. The dust-free dry mill putty paint electric atomic dust vacuum spray feature maintains a cleaner work environment, enhancing user convenience. This tool's ability to adapt to different speeds and its efficient dust control mechanisms make it a practical choice for automotive surface refinishing tasks. The Flex Electric Car Polisher is a reliable choice for individuals seeking a versatile, powerful, and adaptable tool for polishing various surfaces. making it a suitable option for car enthusiasts and professional detailers alike. At number 2, Fendo MultiFunction Car Polisher. The Fendo MultiFunction Car Polisher is a versatile and efficient tool designed for various surfaces, making it an excellent choice for users seeking flexibility and functionality. Boasting a brushless 350-watt motor, this random orbital sander offers variable speeds from 4,000/min to 10,000/min, catering to different polishing needs. Its ergonomic design, coupled with a symmetrical build, ensures comfortable and prolonged usage. The unique low-profile feature minimizes counterforce, reducing fatigue during extended periods of use. This sander's versatility allows it to be applied to multiple surfaces, from car finishes to woodworking projects. The brushless motor maintains a consistent speed, even under heavy loads, promising reliable and uniform results. Its variable speeds cater to various polishing requirements, offering flexibility and precision in tasks. The Fendo MultiFunction Car Polisher is a fantastic choice for professionals and enthusiasts looking for a reliable, high-performance tool that offers ease of use, flexibility, and consistent results across diverse surfaces. At number 1, BATOCA Cordless Car Polisher. The BATOCA Cordless Car Polisher stands out for its impressive features, making it an ideal choice for automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. With a rating voltage of 110 V/130 V, 220 240 V, and a rating power of 24 W, it offers a no-load speed ranging from 2,500 to 5,000 RPM. Its cordless design with 2 free batteries, each offering 45 minutes of use, ensures uninterrupted operation. Crafted with high-impact ABS, it houses a robust motor made of pure copper, guaranteeing durability and minimal interference during operation. Weighing only about 1 kilogram, it's remarkably lightweight and portable, facilitating effortless handling and storage. The 5mm random orbit DA ensures a flawless finish across various painted surfaces, even for beginners. The inclusion of two 2.0Ah batteries and a charger allows seamless operation by ensuring one battery is always ready for use. BATOCA, known for its specialization in car care products, offers a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, reflecting their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Ideal for car paint, headlights, flooring, boats, and more, the BATOCA Cordless Car Polisher is a versatile and efficient tool that suits both DIY enthusiasts and professional detailers seeking reliability and a smooth finish.